Hey guys, it's Miss Kraut with your homework today. Today you're gonna have 18 problems to do, and you're just converting fractions to decimals. So I'm gonna do a few odds with you. I'm gonna do number 1, number 3, 5, 7, and 9, and then the rest of them I think that you can handle doing by yourself. Okay, so remember. The first thing we're gonna do is you're going to take your denominator, which is your dog that stays outside, right? And that goes into 4, okay? Remember, your dog is your denominator and the dog goes outside. So I can't do 20 into 4, so I'm going to add my decimal. And then I can add a 0. 20 goes into 40 how many times? 2. 2 times 20 is 40, so I have nothing left over. So when I convert this to a decimal, it's going to be 2/10. All right, and number 3, I have my denominator, which is my dog. My dog's name is denominator. So I'm going to take the denominator, put him outside, and then I'm going to divide it into 9. I can't divide into 9, so I'm going to add my decimal and then bring it up. 10 cannot go into 9, so I add a 0. 10 goes into 90 9 times, okay? So the answer for this one is 9/10. Also, you can just say this one. What is 9/10? What does that look like? Okay, number 5 is 4/5. So for number 5, 4/5, I'm going to take my dog, or my denominator, which is my 5, and then I'm going to divide that into 4. I can't do that, so I add a decimal and bring it up. Add my 0 because I haven't changed the value. It's still 4. 5 goes into 40 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. So my answer to number 5 is 8/10. All right, number 7, I have 18, which is my denominator, which is my dog name denominator. And I'm going to divide, oh, nope, I did that wrong. My dog is going to be 25, and that goes into 18. I can't divide 25 into 18, so I'm going to add a 0. So when you're looking at 25, I always think about quarters. How many quarters would I need to get close to $1.80? Well, I know 4 quarters is $1, right? 4 quarters is $1. So 4 more quarters would be $2. So I'm going to say 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17. And then I have 5 left over. And then I'm going to add another 0 just to bring down. 25 goes into 50 2 times. So the answer for number 7 is 72/100. And then number 9, guys, is just 1/10. So I can just write that as 1/10. All right, guys, I hope that you guys don't struggle with the homework. Do your best. Remember, your denominator is your dog, which goes on the outside. That goes in the inside. Add your decimal and your zeros, and you should be fine. All right, guys, have a super great night. And the secret word of the day is fraction. All right, guys, bye.